It's room to a time, La Quinta, room 206 in Auburn, Washington. Yo, so here's our front door, right? So you come in, we have this little closet for your jacket. Wow, pretty nice. Here's the foyer. We have this little corner. Dance in there or something. Into the room, you got the washroom. Pretty big. Hardwood floors. Lots of towels.
Laminate floors.
Nice toilet. Got a tub. Have you tested the water pressure yet?
No. But look, we got a chair we can put in there.
Got a shower chair. A chair for the shower.
We're gonna test the shower.
So we got some beds. That's the TV. A little ice bucket. Got a coffee machine. I have made some tea downstairs. AC. Got a chair in the corner. A TV. And we're on floor 2, so we got a view of the lobby area. La Quinta. Very similar to our Holiday Inn in Orlando, just a little bit smaller.